Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's on the mind of millions of people, student loans. If you're one of the many people who are feeling the weight of student debt, you're not alone. But here's the good news. There are plenty of ways to pay off your student loans faster and relieve yourself of that financial burden. In today's video, we'll go over 7 proven strategies that will help you pay off your student loans quickly, save money on interest, and get on the path to financial freedom. Whether you have federal loans, private loans, or a combination of both, these tips will help you tackle them more efficiently. Strategy 1. Make extra payments whenever possible. The first and most effective strategy to pay off your student loans quickly is to make extra payments. This might seem like a no-brainer, but it's easy to overlook when you're juggling monthly bills. By paying more than your minimum payment each month, you'll reduce the principal balance of your loan faster, which means less interest accrues. Even an extra $50 or $100 each month can make a huge difference over time. Here's a quick example. Let's say you owe $20,000 in student loans with an interest rate of 5%. If you make the minimum payment, it'll take you about 10 years to pay it off, and you'll end up paying over $7,000 in interest. However, if you add just $100 extra per month, you could pay off that loan in 7 years and save around $2,000 in interest. Tip: try rounding up your monthly payment to the nearest $50 or $100 to make it easier to stick to extra payments. Strategy 2. Refinance your loans. Another strategy to pay off student loans quickly is refinancing. When you refinance, you're essentially taking out a new loan with a lower interest rate to pay off your existing loans. This can be a great way to save money over time and shorten your repayment period. Keep in mind that refinancing federal loans means you'll lose access to federal protections like income-driven repayment plans or loan forgiveness programs. But if you have private loans or federal loans with high interest rates, refinancing could save you thousands of dollars in interest. Before you refinance, shop around for the best rates. Many lenders offer free rate quotes, so you can compare and find the option that works best for you. Strategy 3. Pay bi-weekly instead of monthly. Did you know that paying bi-weekly can help you pay off your student loans faster? Instead of making a single payment each month, split your payment in half and pay that amount every 2 weeks. Over the course of the year, this results in one extra payment. Let's break it down. If your monthly loan payment is $400, paying $200 every 2 weeks will add up to 26 payments per year, which is 13 full payments instead of just 12. This can help you reduce your loan balance faster and shorten the time it takes to pay off your student loans. Strategy 4. Use windfalls and bonuses to pay down debt. A great way to accelerate your loan payoff is by using any windfalls or unexpected income. This could be things like tax refunds, work bonuses, or even gifts from family and friends. Instead of spending that extra cash on things you don't need, consider putting it toward your student loans. For example, let's say you get a tax refund of $2,000. Rather than splurging on a vacation or new gadgets, you could use that money to make a lump sum payment toward your student loans. This will significantly reduce your principal balance and, in turn, reduce the amount of interest you'll pay in the long run. Tip: if you're receiving a bonus or windfall, try to direct a percentage of it toward your student loans. This way, you're still able to treat yourself while making progress on your debt. Strategy 5. Apply for loan forgiveness programs, if eligible. If you have federal student loans, it's worth looking into loan forgiveness programs. While this won't help you pay off your student loans quickly, it can help you eliminate a portion of your debt entirely. Some of the most popular forgiveness programs include Public Service Loan Forgiveness, PSLF. If you work in public service, like a nonprofit organization, government, or teaching, you may be eligible for PSLF. After making 120 qualifying monthly payments under a qualifying repayment plan, the remaining balance of your loan could be forgiven. Income-driven repayment, IDR. Forgiveness. Under certain income-driven repayment plans, you may qualify for forgiveness after making payments for 20 or 25 years. These programs aren't for everyone, but if you work in the public sector or qualify for an income-driven repayment plan, they're definitely worth exploring. Strategy 6. Make a budget and stick to it. This one's pretty basic but incredibly important. Create a budget and stick to it. Tracking your income and expenses helps you identify areas where you can cut back, freeing up extra money that you can put toward paying off your student loans. Start by listing all your sources of income and then track your monthly expenses, everything from rent to groceries to entertainment. If you find areas where you're overspending, like eating out too much or impulse buying, try to scale back. Use that extra money to pay down your loans faster. Tip: use budgeting apps like Mint or YNAB. You need a budget to make it easier to track your spending and set savings goals. Strategy 7. Set a target date and create a plan. Lastly, setting a target date for when you want to pay off your student loans can give you the motivation and direction you need to make it happen. Without a clear goal, it can be easy to fall into the trap of paying it later. But when you have a set target date in mind, you'll stay more focused and disciplined. Create a repayment plan that fits your target date. Break it down into monthly or even weekly goals and track your progress. This will give you a sense of accomplishment along the way, and you'll feel more in control of your financial future. And there you have it. 7 proven strategies to pay off your student loans quickly. Whether you choose to make extra payments, refinance your loans, or use unexpected income to pay down your debt, every little bit helps. The key is to stay focused, create a plan, and be consistent in your efforts. Remember, paying off student loans isn't a race. It takes time, but by following these strategies, you'll be on your way to financial freedom in no time. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more personal finance tips, and let us know in the comments which strategy you're going to try first. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your student loan payoff journey.